reviews best motorcycles for beginners. Honda Grom. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of motorcycles, specifically for those who are just starting out. We have a real gem to showcase, the Honda Grom. This compact and affordable motorcycle has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The Honda Grom is a lightweight and agile sport bike designed for urban commuting and weekend riding. It's powered by a 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that delivers a peppy performance, perfect for new riders. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the Grom is its affordability. As a smaller displacement motorcycle, it's a more budget-friendly option compared to larger bikes, making it a great choice for new riders or those on a tight budget. In terms of performance, the Grom offers a good balance of power and handling. Its 125 cubic centimeters engine provides ample power for city riding and highway cruising, while its lightweight design and agile handling make it easy to maneuver through traffic in tight corners. Design and aesthetics. The Grom has a modern and aggressive design, with sharp lines and a muscular stance. It's available in a variety of colors and graphics to suit different tastes. Target audience and relevance. The Grom is ideal for riders who are looking for a compact and affordable urban motorcycle. Its lightweight design and agile handling make it perfect for navigating city traffic and winding roads. The bike's fuel efficiency also makes it a practical choice for daily commuting. Comparison to other beginner motorcycles. When compared to other popular beginner motorcycles, the Honda Grom stands out for its fun and playful character. Its small size and lightweight design make it easy to ride and maneuver, making it a great choice for new riders who are looking for a confidence-boosting experience. Expert reviews. The Grom has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its fun and engaging riding experience, as well as its affordable price point. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The Grom is a blast to ride. It's small, lightweight, and incredibly fun to throw around in corners." Conclusion. The Honda Grom is a well-rounded motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and affordability. Its compact size, lightweight design, and forgiving handling make it a perfect choice for new riders. So, if you're looking for a fun and affordable starter motorcycle, the Grom is definitely worth considering.